Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find deleted transactions in QuickBooks Online. This is an important skill for anyone managing business finances, as it helps maintain accurate records and avoid discrepancies. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. Go to the sign-in page, enter your credentials, and make sure you're accessing the correct QuickBooks version. Once inside, head over to the Reports tab on your dashboard. This section contains a variety of business data reports, including tools that help you track changes. In the search bar, type Audit Log and select it from the results. The Audit Log is a powerful feature that records all account activity, including edits and deletions. Next, use the filter options inside the Audit Log to focus on deleted or voided transactions. This will narrow down the results so you only see the entries that were removed. After applying the filter, QuickBooks will generate a detailed list of deleted transactions. You'll see information about what was removed, when it was deleted, and who made the change. Reviewing this timeline of deleted transactions gives you a clear view of your financial activity and helps ensure accuracy in your records. And that's it. By regularly checking the audit log, you can stay on top of deleted transactions, improve your financial management, and gain more confidence in your bookkeeping.